good afternoon. This is Sharon from Everything Beautiful. So I did another video, and here is another color that I've used the same pattern to cut. So the neckline remains the same, as you can see how nicely it is, and it lies very flat. So I'm going to show you how to do how to draft this color or to make the changes, because we're actually using the same color, which is a short color, except that we're going to change the design. So and another thing, this color is finished just as the one before this, the shawl color that I did before this. It's the same way it is finished. Okay, you cut your piping strips and you add your piping strips, and that is it. Okay, thank you. You know, I'm a little bit off just now. Guess what happened? I lost the bulb to my tripod. I don't know, the light just went out, and I turned on the other one in another lamp, another light I have here, and that also went out. So right now the it's kind of a bit darkish, and the video might be a little bit dark, so that's the reason for that. But losing the light, you know, the bulb on my tripod, and another one that I just replaced about 2 or 3 days ago, um, just makes me pissed off. Okay, all right, sorry for my ranting today, you know, and I think this, as I said, might be a little bit dark, but I'm hoping that you'll be able to understand. So here is the same, the pattern I'd used to cut the first color, and I gave you some measurement. You're going to, whoever you're making the color for, you're going to still use your 4.5, all right, which is the width of the color. For the neck of this one, it's actually 3. It is 6, but it's on the fold, so it is 3. And as I always tell you, one size doesn't fit all. So if you're making a color for someone that is, you know, bigger, you know, in size, you want to extend it to 3.5 or 4 or whatever, and then you will decide the decollete, that's the front of the blouse or the jacket, how deep you want it. It's called a decollete. I've used 11 inches here. You can use whatever you have, okay, or whatever the measurement that the neckline is. Okay, so I just, when I say that you can use this measurement if you're making a pattern, but if that means if you're practicing, but if you're really going to make it for someone, you're going to have to use the measurement, the neck measurement that you get. Okay, so I'm using 3, okay, and that is the same measurement for the back of the blouse, the neckline at the back of the blouse. All right, so right here would be the 3. From here is the center back. Here would be the shoulder where it stops. Okay, so from here down is the front. So I don't want to be touching here any at all to make any change here. So the change that I'm going to make now, it's going to be from about here. So I want to start to draft my pattern, the new shape of my, I don't know if you can see it. So this is it, and the light is so pale, I'm so sorry. That is it. So this is the new shape that I'm giving it. All right, and here I will cut it. So now you have drafted this. You want to come off like that for the allowance, and remember you're going to put your pillow in it. All right, I said you don't want to go beyond the shoulder line there, because that is for the neck, and that is it. So this is what it's looking like. All right, let me paste it back and just draw the entire thing so that you will have a better understanding of what it's like. So let me come straight up with this, straight up, hope you can see. So this is the shape of it. All right, and you could do any shape. You could come around like that and come back like that, so you can do any shape with it. The most important thing is that the neckline remains the same and that it lies flat when you actually put it down. And as I said, this is what it's looking like. And happy sewing, and I hope you have learned something today. And this is Sharon from Everything Beautiful, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Good, thank you. See you in the next video.